At the largest European technology fair, IFA Berlin, we had the opportunity to try out the latest Samsung Galaxy Fold. It's an innovation, a brand new concept of smartphone that opened the display's screen on both sides. Some people like it, some people say it's silly, so let's see how it impressed me. Opened, the Galaxy Fold has 7.3 inches diagonal, which is not really a spectacular diagonal since the Note 10 Plus has 6.8 inches. When folded, it does not really take much space, it's pretty narrow, and it's no problem putting it in your pocket without feeling like it's about to crack. 15.5 millimeters thick is too much for most of us, but I like it, and it reminds me of older Nokia models. It's not cumbersome. It's questionable what a 7.3-inch square-shaped screen will serve when all the content today is created and offered in widescreen aspect ratio. Fold definitely looks more like a tablet, and it would be weird to make a phone call with it. I even like the thickness of it when folded because it's easier to hold it in my hand. After a long time, you get a feeling that you're holding a phone, not a chocolate bar. Basically, I'm in the minority. Most of the people I've talked to, most of the journalists didn't like the concept. What I don't like is the front 4.6-inch screen. It should have been a lot bigger, but obviously Samsung couldn't do it at first, and that's the one thing that I find unattractive on the Galaxy Fold. Although it's made of plastic, inside it's supported with an aluminum structure. It looks cheap to many, like Chinese plastic, but I like it, especially the Samsung logo on the side. It's very similar to previous Nokia design. The internal widescreen is not ideal for watching movies, but it could be really great for using navigation and hopefully some other applications. Fold works in a way that when you open an app on an external 4.6-inch display, the app is displayed over the entire 7.3-inch diagonal. Business users might like that because you can put 2, 3, or 4 applications on the screen at the same time. Okay, anyway, I personally like to put it in my pocket and go away with it. Finally, there's something new in the smartphone market design after a long time. Galaxy Fold is coming in for sale this month. Samsung claims that this will be the future, but we'll see how people will react to this phone and if they'll be willing to spend 2,000 euro for something like this.